I see those crystal raindrops fall.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Aprilia Maulida. I'm grade 9A, number absent 2. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She had long, wavy, and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly as she loved and the roses. She had one glowing golden braid who will visit her in the evenings. The princess and the golden braid will sing mesmerizing song, where all people in the kingdom peacefully sleep with sweet dreams. The breeze will begging making the sun saying the beautiful hand of the princess, and she will join with the breeze. Both of them used to sing lullabies to make people sleep and keep singing the lullabies until sunrise. Well, people eventually weekly come to know about the golden bridge and the hair color of the princess Rose. She calls her the princess and her ugly black. As usual, the priest steady singing, saying the black hair of the princess, and she continued. While people fell asleep, none of them had sweet dreams. Rather, they were terribly and very full. Princess heard about the nightmare dreams and was so worried. She asked the golden bridge with the salt to turn her red. The bridge asked her to dip her hair in rose water, and she did. Surprisingly, the hair turned beautiful red with usual glow. Undoubtedly, everyone fell asleep hearing the lovely and had sweet dreams, knowing the witch curse again and now remove rose flowers and petals from the kingdom.